Hi everyone, this tutorial will be walking you through accessing and completing a form on Jomo247. Once we have linked our form to an activity template and published it, we are now able to create an activity and its corresponding tasks with the linked form. Once these have been completed, we can then access the form by clicking into our task. We will be taken to the specific task page and we need to select the form option from the tabs to the left-hand side, and our form will appear. Here we can see all the custom fields we created in our form template designer that need to be completed by the end user of the form. Firstly, we have our instruction label, which outlines what we need to do to successfully complete our form. The instruction label is read-only and does not require the entry of any corresponding data. Following this, we have our hyperlink field. Again, this field does not require the entry of any corresponding data, but instead provides us with a clickable hyperlink which will open our predetermined web page on a new tab. Next, we have our short answer field, which requires the entry of information with a limit of 255 characters. Here we have our drop-down field, which requires us to select one option from our predetermined list. To see our choices, we can click on the arrow and the drop-down menu will appear. Following on, we have our multiple choice field, which again requires us to select a single option from our predetermined list. Here we have the paragraph answer field, which requires the entry of information with a limit of 16,834 characters. Next, we have the checkbox field, which allows us to select one or more options from our predetermined list. Then we have the date field, which requires us to select the date. And finally, the sign button, which allows us to digitally sign the form. Now we need to be sure to select the submit button, and the changes we have made to the form will be saved and documented in the comments box on the right-hand side of the page. So we are able to keep track of exactly when and who has entered data into our form. And that has been our quick guide to completing forms on Jomo247. Thanks for watching.